Enjoy the tornado sirens. They go off every first Tuesday of every month. So usually get the sirens going. But I thought about it the last minute. I did catch a little bit towards the end of it. So but the weather out here is I'm sure Max probably wants to go out. And there goes the Max. Yeah, he's right there. The weather obviously is, we're not gonna get anything warmer anytime soon. Maybe just one. Maybe we might get maybe there might be a chance of warmer, maybe 60s, maybe a rare 70s, but I doubt it. Like once it gets like this, we rarely ever get anything warm. So once it gets to this, it's gonna be a cold one until April, May up there. Sometimes around June is when you start to get at least a fair weather out there. So, you know, it's a little windy out and the leaves are falling like crazy still. But, you know, it's fall season. Actually now we're into winter season. You know, we did change the clock, so yeah, still never really gotten really all acclimated to this. You know, yeah, change the clock, step back, fall back, spring forward. You know, just be exciting to go visit home soon and just see how you know, just kind of go to some normalcy, because we live in the equator where the sun is overhead all the time, got 12 hours a day, 12 hours a night, or just about. While here it varies. Like in the middle of the winter, it does usually get dark by around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's kind of very different when you think about it in comparison to where I grew up. And sometimes in the middle of the summer, it'll be 9 o'clock at night, still light outside. So it's, you know, that kind of change in seasons and the times. It's sometimes if it throws people off that have lived through it all along, you can imagine for somebody that's never grew up to it. And the cold, you know, it's you just never get used to it, mostly if you like the outdoors. But then on the other hand, once it gets this cold, you know, gotta be, it's a ritual to go outside. But gotta be grateful for whatever it is, though, and adjust as we go. Anyway, I heard the sirens and thought, you know, it's something good to kind of capture that's usually different here, because usually I have a lot of people asking me. You can hear the airplanes again. There's always airplanes going out here because we're on a plane path. But anyway, there's always people asking me about how it's like, what it's like here. You know, it's not too much different other than the simple things like it's snowing, or you know, we get tornadoes and stuff, so you get the tornado warnings, and you know, so it's Max wants to roll around. So you know, I usually do my best to be able to capture those moments and share them. I used to share them other ways, but I should have been sharing them here, so I've included this platform too. So it's always great. Really appreciate this great community out here. So yeah, usually if you see him wanting to be out there, then you know it's nice. At least the sun feels good being out in the sun. He's a good thermometer. But leaves are still falling though, and still yeah, we've been having very cool blue skies too. Yeah, something though, he's gotten a lot older. He's gotten smaller. Yeah, it's 10 years old up there. So I don't know how much that is in dog years, 90 or something, or 80 or something. But anyway. See you on the next one.